Be honest, how many times have you woken up, grabbed your phone, scrolled endlessly, and then complained, "Why am I so tired?" If that's you, don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the truth: the way you start your morning decides how the rest of your day unfolds. And if you don't wake up your body properly, you're leaving your energy locked away like treasure you never use. Today, I'll show you the best morning stretches to supercharge your energy, sharpen your focus, and set you up to crush your day. And trust me, by the end, you'll feel like you've had a shot of espresso without the crash. Oh, and no, these stretches won't turn you into a yoga influencer overnight, sorry about that. Stretch 1, Standing Forward Fold. Let's start simple, standing forward fold. Sounds fancy, but really, it's just touching your toes, except there's a science behind it. This stretch lengthens your spine, improves circulation, and gives your nervous system a quick wake-up call. Imagine all the stiffness from last night's sleep melting away. Even if you can't touch your toes, don't stress, bend your knees slightly. Progress, not perfection. And here's the exciting part: forward folds instantly improve blood flow to your brain, making you more alert. So, technically, you're smarter after this stretch. Now that your brain's awake, let's unlock your chest and lungs. Stretch 2, Standing Chest Opener. Picture this: you've been sleeping curled up like a pretzel. This stretch opens your chest, improves posture, and allows more oxygen into your lungs. More oxygen equals more energy. Simple math. Interlace your fingers behind your back, squeeze your shoulder blades together, and lift your chest. Doesn't that feel empowering? Almost like you're ready to conquer the world. Or at least, your morning Zoom call. But opening up the chest is just the beginning. Next, we're going to target the single most neglected part of your body. Stretch 3, Hip Flexor Stretch. Sitting all day is the new smoking, right? And it destroys your hips. Tight hip flexors drain energy, cause back pain, and limit your mobility. But this stretch? It's like oiling a rusty hinge. Step 1 foot forward into a lunge, push your hips gently down. Feel that? That's your body thanking you. Trust me, if you're 18 today, protect your hips now or you'll be walking like a grandparent at 30. Yeah, TikTok dances look cool, but try doing one with stiff hips, not a good look. Now, let's move upward, because your back has been begging for attention too. Stretch 4, Cat-Cow. This one's from yoga, but don't worry, it's not complicated. Cat-Cow is basically spinal therapy without the expensive chiropractor bill. On all fours, arch your back like an angry cat, then dip your belly and lift your head like a cow. Yeah, whoever named this had a sense of humor. But the results? Flexibility, better posture, and goodbye morning stiffness. If you've ever cracked your back and felt amazing, this is the safer version. Your spine feels loose now, but what about the part of your body that literally carries your weight all day? Stretch 5, Standing Quad Stretch. Your quads are your powerhouse muscles, they drive your walking, running, and workouts. And yet, they're always tight. This stretch balances your body and prevents injuries. Just grab one ankle behind you, keep your knees together, and pull gently. If you're wobbling, that's fine, use a wall. Think of it as your body saying, "Hey, thanks for not ignoring me today." And no, holding onto your fridge while stretching does not count as multitasking breakfast and fitness. Finally, we finish with the king of all morning stretches, the one that resets your body completely. Stretch 6, Downward Dog. Yep, the famous downward dog. Don't roll your eyes, it's popular for a reason. This stretch hits your shoulders, hamstrings, calves, and spine all at once. It's like pressing the reset button on your body. Hands on the floor, hips up toward the sky, heels pressing down. Hold it. Feel the stretch. Breathe deeply. This isn't just about flexibility, it's about power, balance, and mental clarity. End your morning here, and watch how different your entire day feels.